Just open this thing up. My GoPro, haven't used it in a long time. And just strolling around the house looking for where I left my telephone to see if Najaf has called me yet. And it's rainy outside, Mom's in bed, Nathan's sitting right there. I'm testing out to see how well this works with a magnetic attachment to my t-shirt hanging on a necklace. This is supposed to really capture action without me having to hold it. My hands are free. Here's a cup of coffee. Capture everything that's going on. Nathan in front of me kayaking or hiking or whatever it is. Just sitting there. And all I'm gonna do is press the top button to start and stop the camera. Here, yeah. Bird. And I just start walking around. We're walking in the woods, we see a deer. I start walking to the deer.
I think it's better to put it in your chest, on your chest.
Arrested. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna be filming the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, jacket for me, it's too cold.
GoPro, yeah.
Let's go, bro. Nate, let me show you how to do this, Nate. Okay. Okay, unlock it here. Unlock. No, unlock. Yeah. Good. Oh, good. You can get it out. Okay. You take the front. I'll take the lead. Oh, we have to put the kayak hand. Oh, it's on. Okay. Okay. Probably we put these kayaks here last summer ourselves. I'm gonna get the baseball cap, the clip mount for this thing because it doesn't let me see Nathan, who's behind me right now, but I could put on my baseball cap backwards. See how it's all wet, the ground? Okay. You have to pull your legs up. Pull your legs up like I'm doing. Pull your legs up. Pull your pant legs up so you don't get your pants wet. Pull it up. Pull it up. Higher. More. Higher. Pull it higher like this. Up to your knee right here. There. That's good. A little more. There you go. Awesome. Let's go. Let's get the yellow one. No, wait. You have to help me. I can't do it by myself. Help and get your paddle. No, mommy not coming. Daddy and you, only two. for burning tonight. Discovering the pros and cons of GoPro mounts. Este no. Este.
No sirve para eso.
Make sure it's filming. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go. Nice GoPro camera. I guess with the paddles. Nate, go get the paddle down. Help. Get the paddles. Nate, get the paddles. Go. Just throw things on the floor you're not using. Give me one over here. One for me, one for you. Good. One. Two. Awesome. Okay. Now I gotta put the kayak handle in. I'm gonna put this kayak handle on, dude. ¿Cómo se hace eso? Just loop it through, okay. Very carefully stepping down. Okay, I gotta put this here. What? I'm putting this kayak handle in, Nate. I mean, we lost it last year, or somebody lost it. Okay. Got it. Tie a little knot in here. I tie a little knot, and then we're gonna go. All right, that one's for you. Okay. All right. Okay, we need we need cushions. Get 2 cushions. Get 2 cushions. White, no, the cushions are on the shelf. Over here, look. Right there. One. 2. Put them in the kayak. All right. Close the garage. It's okay, you have to lock it on the inside. Leave it open, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go, lift. So it looks like I made a good purchase of 2 kayak GoPro mounts. One for more eye level, and the other less awkward and bulky when my chest is free of obstructions. Okay, which cushion do you want? Which cushion do you want, Nate? Nate, which cushion? Wait, Nate. Okay, which cushion do you want? Nate, pull your pants up again. Pull your pants. Wait. Stop. Pull your pants up. No, first pull your pants up, because you're gonna have to walk in the water. Pull your pants up like this. Pull the leg up. Pull it up tight to your knee. Good. Next one's good. 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 Perfect. Now take a cushion. Which one do you want? Take a cushion. Nate. Take a cushion. Which one? And take the paddle you want. You like that paddle with the rough foam handle. That's right, and you walk all the way around for both items. Nate, you need a cushion. Which one do you want? Reach over. Reach over and take it. Nope, he's gonna walk all the way around. Okay, I'm gonna run to the house quick and get my, I don't need it, I guess. Okay, we do it by ourselves. Okay, you always take the white cushion because that's the one that we originally had. Wait. Okay, I'll hold it steady for you. I got it. Can you get in there by yourself? You need me? Help. Got it. Go. You're gonna be sitting right on the water. Wait, dude, wait. Let me just at least brush the water off of there. Oh wait, man, we don't have it. Nate, step out. Step out. We need to get a towel. Hold on. I'm gonna get a towel. I'm gonna get a towel quick, okay? Wait for me to get a towel to dry. You don't want to sit in a puddle. So wait for me. Wait for a towel. Need egg towel. What else did I need up there? What else did I want to get? Oh, my pill. Okay. Bueno. Sí, él mojó adentro mucho el asiento. Tengo que sacar una toalla para secar.
La toalla que tenía en la que estaba usando para limpiar el carro.
Sí, ¿dónde está eso?
Yo creo que usted la dejó en el carro.
Sí, pero no lo veo ahí.
¿O la dejó en Bethlehem?
No, está en el carro, pero...
Yo no sé, yo no la he visto. O sea, yo recuerdo haberlo visto limpiando.
Yo lo tenía puesto contra atrás.
Búsquelo otra vez, a ver.
No me acuerdo, no está ahí. Pero yo no sé quién lo sacó, quién lo puso. Frísima. Pero ven ver rápido. This white towel that I had is definitely not here now. Boring. Nah, it's not gonna be in here. Nobody would have put it in here. Just a minute, Nate. Wait. No está ahí. Alguien lo sacó y lo puso en un lado.
¿Puedes agarrar una de las de allá ayer?
¿Cuál es?
De las de su mamá.
Está arriba. Está arriba y se me pide mojados. ¿Dónde está esa toalla? Nosotros lo tenemos que haber sacado.
Es que yo la última vez que lo vi con la toalla fue en Bethlehem cuando yo me subí al carro y usted empezó a limpiar ahí. Yo no sé si usted la trajo.
I stuck it behind everything in the back of the car. So the first person that opened that up and took anything out, which might have been me, took it out.
Jeff, que no se me vaya Nathan. ¿Está ahí todavía?
I need to get a...
Ah, sí.
I need to find another towel. Uñas. Permiso. Oh. Tengo que sacar algo de aquí. Permiso. Solo Dios sabrá dónde puse eso.
Ojalá, pero es que Nicole le deja sus dientes blanquitos.
Les gusta platicar, conversar. The ladies like to sit around and talk. Okay, Nate, I got a towel. Nathan just patiently stands there the whole time. Make a nice video let GoPro edit the video again. The trip to Turtle Creek today. Okay, boss. Got a nice towel. You can even sit on this towel. Let me use it to... Okay. You want to sit on the towel? You want to sit on there too? Sit. Okay, step in. Step in and just step on the red part. Don't walk on the seat area. Got it, okay? Also do one more thing. When you hold your foot up, let the water drip off of it. Drip off, and then put it in, okay? Go. Good, drip it, nice, awesome. Other one, let it drip, let it drip off. Look, come on, go, good. Do it. I'm talking too much. No, do it again. Got it. Good, very good. That was good. Okay, got it. It's more stable now. Okay, go. Do it, go. Go, Nate, you're frozen. Stop, block. You got it, do it, man. You gotta start over from the beginning because I blocked it. I'm doing it right, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The water is deep. You're gonna go all the way in that creek today. Man, you're going all the way. Lady's very picky about weather has to be just right. Tabitha can't go because she's got to stay on duty for work. Hat removed. Minimal garb. Probably will take his jacket off too. Which I'll keep over here to keep it dry. Mouth full of sunflower seeds. Where are we going? Where are we going? Turtle Creek. Usually it's very hard to get a shot of him kayaking because I have to keeping up with him, which occupies both of my hands, and hold the telephone. Control it, press buttons, and just can't do it. So this GoPro was the solution I decided on after last August. Saw that neighbor out. That's the guy right there. Nice huge dock. No, maybe it's that house right there. That was the one I saw the guy come down. He's still working on his house. And my dad said this guy's been working on his house for years. He's rebuilding. And his brother is our next door neighbor. Those people built their house from scratch. I guess somebody, obviously, company did it for him with their other brother-in-law. His sister is the wife of the brother-in-law who's doing the job himself. I gotta get caught up on the details. Hopefully this camera is picking up my audio. Now that's a creek coming down I have not heard or seen a sign of before. That's weird. I guess I knew there was a creek there, but it never... I guess the water was coming down because it's just been raining for a whole day. So usually that's not flowing there. Oh, this guy right there has two giant huskies, or husky type dogs. A really nice landscape lawn with beautiful grass. This place was all woods when I was growing up. No house, no sign of any. But that guy did a really nice landscaping in there. And he's in a nice place. He's an airline pilot, maybe retired, I'm not sure. I think that's who his name is. Maynard, I think. Maybe that's not that guy. Right there is where there used to be a hunter's cabin, or some old abandoned cabin right there on the shore that maybe they used to launch boats. We consider that the haunted house. Back in there, we used to row our rowboat to there and like look around with fear and trepidation inside of it. And this guy, I met him when he first bought that house up there, and this is the nicest looking house that they have up here. There's another creek coming down from there. Okay, this is gonna be exciting. Nate! This way! Let's go! You're stuck! Nate! Turtle Creek, let's go! Let's go, man! Come on! Another advantage of this GoPro is I'm going to be able to go swim underwater with it. Now, how am I going to hold that? I'll try to wear this cap, I guess. Nate! I might have to go. That's a move. That little little wind up. He makes that before he starts getting back into action. There he goes. It's like a self jump start. We call it a wind up. Yes, sir. Should have put sunblock on too. Wow. Okay, this thing looks really different. The water is so high. I'm not gonna be able to stand on that rock. I don't even be able to stand on it. Checking to see if it's still running. Wow. You can recognize this place. There's a log that usually is exposed right straight in front of me there. Maybe that's the log over there. There's branches sticking up, but you can't see it at all. Nate, take your jacket off. It's too hot. Let's take off our jackets. Bro, look at me. Hey, look. Nate. Nate, look. You take off your jacket. It's too hot. Take it off. Put it in the kayak in front of you and don't get it wet. Careful, it doesn't go in the water. Okay, good job. Awesome. Okay, you go first. You go first, man. That upended tree there, you can usually see the entire circumference of the earth that the roots ripped up. Usually you can see all the logs exposed in here. Sometimes there used to be turtles sitting on them. Hence the name Turtle Creek. The real name of it is like Shoot Run. This thing was completely abandoned. Woods, only woods back inside of here when I was growing up. Now it's a owned property, inhabited. Freaking dock right here. I've met this guy. He had a memorable name. I can't remember it now, but it's been a year or two since I heard him tell me his name. Okay. This bridge, the dam is gone, Nate. The dam here that usually we'd have to shove our kayak over the top of it is completely submerged. That's nice. This will let us easily go to the end without any block or obstacles or challenge. This is interesting. Usually with water be low enough you could go under these branches without really much trouble. Now you gotta go, he's gonna try to go that way. He's exploring a new stretch of this creek. I'm not gonna follow him because that doesn't lead anywhere. So he's going a way we've never gone, because this way is usually blocked. He's getting to exercise his adventure kayaking skills, getting over a slightly submerged log. I'm not seeing one single bug or mosquito of any sort. There's one right there. And he's gonna hit a dead end there. I don't know what he's gonna expect to do in there. I'll have to go down and see where that's taking him. Nate, don't go that way. Don't go in there. There's nothing up there. There's nowhere to go there. Come out. That's a dead end. Oh, big mosquito. That's a dead end, Nate. Come out, back. It's so funny. Back out. Push back. This is the kind of thing that in the morning, if I let him go by himself down here, he could potentially get stuck in here. We should actually bring clippers when we come in here. Nate, just put it down. Back out. Push back. Push back. Push back. Help, please. Look, take your right side and push back. Push back like this. There you go. Yes. Like that. Yes. Push back. Yeah, good. Good. Keep turning. Do it again. Do it again. Now push back on your right side. Right side. Push in and back. Yes. Yes. Oh, it's difficult for you. Okay, let me just try and help you out. I should have a... Oh yeah, great. Okay, hold my paddle. Hold it, I'm gonna pull you. That's really helping. Good job. Hold on tight. Hold on, I'm gonna pull you. Good, that's annoying you, right? That thing's annoying you, so I'm gonna hold it down. Okay, I'm gonna put it under your kayak. Okay. There. Now you work your way out. What I gotta do is push back. Push back.
Wait, let me push.
I can't step in this ground. He's disgustingly.
Help.
Let me try to pull your backhand out. I should not have come in here. Okay, you push yourself back. Good. Keep going more. Push yourself back. Good. Push yourself back. Good. Keep going. Push yourself back on that side. That side. Turn. Go straight back. Go straight back. Good. Good job. Okay, then I'm gonna follow you. You go back. Bugs. Ella hizo muy bien.